Here we go, guys. QZL as well. Oh yeah, you've seen it before. It's just Italian. A little quick run. Just got a little generic challenge with my homeboy crxpalbos. So let's see what we can do. Track. Start. Stop. Read. 0. Let's get it. Start. QZilla's world. Oh yeah. We ain't even gonna play with it. Let's just get it. Let me see him turn on RVC medium. Let's see what we can get, guys. We turn down the RVC a little bit. Start to wobble a little at the end. Let's see what she got. Let's see what she got. Let's turn RVC all the way down. Brakes right there. Let's go. She moved pretty good right there. Yeah, I got a pretty good full pan, so that's probably gonna be the best we can get on this one. Let's go. Okay. That's probably the best that she's gonna get right there. Okay. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. Short and sweet. All right. We're gonna hit you with this engine. Okay. Stop. Read. 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 58. QZilla's world. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just started it right there. Oh, camera, you know, I've been having troubles with it, but I just started it right there. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Maybe let's get these batteries heat up a little bit. Maybe they heated up a little bit. Maybe. Maybe they heated up a little bit. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Come on. Stop. Read. 57. Again, good Lord. Okay, right. QZilla's world. QZilla's world. Oh yeah. Got one last try to get you, Pablo. One last try. Maybe one last try. Track. Start. stop, read, 0. Let's get it. Track, start. There we go. Let's get it cracking. You can see that too right there, right? Okay, let's go. Let's get it cracking on this one. Okay, I was trying to trim it up. That was taking me so long right there. Okay, let's go. I don't know how fast she was moving, but guess what? She was definitely moving on that one. Let's just see what she got. Let's just see what she got on that one before I give it another run. I'll give it one more go. Let's see what she got. We're gonna go to stop. Come on, GPS, don't do this. Stop. Read. And what's going on with it? Come on, let's do it. Should get it this time. Let's see. Maybe I should back it up a little closer. Let me get a little closer. Well, I see the speed is locked like that. When it does that, something's up. Let's do that. Okay, we go. Red. Let's get the stop. Read. 63. Wow, dang. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. But you know I'm gonna give it one more go. Here you go. One more. Well, this is the last go. Track. Start. Stop. Read. 0. All right, let's go, guys. Man, there's a fly on me. Get away from me, fly. Start. There we go. A big ass fly too. Okay, sorry guys. That was a horrible angle right there. Here we go. Let's get in. Guess what? Walk of shame. Dang it. Okay, back at it. Everything looks good. Footage. No, not once. 2 footages. 2 footages. Two footages. Wow. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. My cell phone overheated. That's how hot it is. I think it's like 100 and something degrees. Let's see what we got on that last run. Stop. Okay. Stop. Read. 68. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. That's crxpalbos. Sorry it wasn't, man, the footage dropped out because my camera overheated, but trust me, it's legit. I'll back it up again tomorrow, but it's so hot out here. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. Right there, look. Animal kicked the car, look. Let's go back. You see right there? So he's still kicking the car. The car's right there. So that lets you know the GPS is still hooked up to it. Still hooked up to it. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah. Go ahead, crxpalbos. It took me a few chances to get you. You see, I went got that Pepsi. That's not a Coke, that's a Pepsi. I don't know why I was feeling nostalgic because I finally accomplished my goal. It took me a few chances, but I finally got you. Qzilla's World. Oh yeah, and this is out to my boy crxpalbos.